Alright everybody, how you doing today? I was thinking I would like to put some trains on the layout, and I'd like to run something I've never run before. So let's pick something out of the box here we haven't tested yet. And this is the last one with the matching that came in the set. I bought somebody's entire layout and this was a part of it, so let's get these two out, get them repaired, cleaned up, and put them on the track. Alright, let's put this in the old cradle here. Put a little bit of juice to them and see if it works well or at all. So far everything in this set has worked. Haven't had to do any repairs, just clean up. So let's see what we get here. Well, let's turn on some electricity first. How about that? Okay, now we got some juice. Oh. There we go. It's a runner. So it looks like just a basic tune-up, clean up, upgrade this, and we'll be putting it on the track. Awesome. Alright, we popped open the back end. I don't know if you can see, it looks to be very well lubricated, almost over lubricated, which I found a couple of these in the set to actually be over lubricated. So let's get this all cleaned out and see how it does. Yeah, the grease on this is just coming out almost by the spoonfuls here. Definitely had way too much grease on it. Way too much grease. We'll get this cleaned up and it'll help it run better. Won't have that drag, you know. It's kind of like trying to walk through water that's only knee deep. No water's there at all. Much easier to walk. Put down the water, suddenly you're forcing yourself through it all. Well, alright, we got this one open as well, and it too is definitely over greased. As you can see, pulled out a big spoonful basically. So let's clean that up, get it looking better. Yeah, they're pretty dirty. Let's see if I wipe it out a little bit. Definitely has some grease in there. Alright, let's see how she does after we give it some cleaning. Seems to be doing just fine. We'll have to get it onto the track. Alright, we got the first set of metal wheels installed. Roll flawlessly. Alright, next set are on. Going flawless like. Got some couplers on. We need to clean it up a little bit still, but we can put it on the track. Well, alright, we got it on the track, so let's see how it does. Well, there you go. Seems to have run pretty smooth. Turn it up, speed it up a little bit. Let it creep along. Oh! Seems like it'll kind of creep along a little bit. go fast too.